Let's check out this XTOOL F1. I'm Brandy, and this is Making It My Own DIYs. Welcome. Look what I got. I mean, who doesn't love a beautiful package, right? So it came to me in this big box. I was contacted by XTools to try out some of their equipment and share with you my opinion. And I was so excited. So I've got the 3 different boxes in here, and they're beautifully packaged. They have a lovely green inner box. I'm loving the green. You get I got my slide tool, my extension slide tool. I got the laser itself, and then the smoke purifier that you connect. And I'll show you how to do that in just a few moments. Everything is secure. Everything was in thick layers of foam. Even the box wasn't damaged. So here is my equipment. We're going to be looking at the XTOOL F1 and the XTOOL filter today. I've never had a laser, so this is the first time on my channel I'm looking at something like this. It's got 2 different lasers, y'all. 2 different lasers, all in one. I love the modern, stylish, simple look of this. I love the colors in it, the chrome color, the green, this white, very simplistic. And then here is that beautiful extension tool. I cannot wait to use that. You can make a lot bigger projects with this piece, so I'm glad to try this one out in another video. So be sure you're subscribed. So everything's out of the box, everything's out of the plastic. I'm going to start connecting things together. I'm going to plug my cord in. This is the power cord. This is the cord that goes between the 2 filter and the laser tool. So I'll plug it in here and then move to the other side and plug it in. This is the key, and you cannot run the machine without this key. So there are 2 of these, thank goodness. If you lose things like me, you got 2. This is the back of the filter. You got your on and off. You can use a max or minimum speed there. It's easy to connect the tubing. It came with 2 different ones, same size. I'm just connecting one to the back of a laser and connecting the other one to the back of the purifier or the filter. This is the stop button. Immediately when you open it, you push the button to disengage it. This button is the focus, the manual focus. And you can do manual or automatic. I prefer manual. You know, I still make my list, y'all. I still make lists on paper. Taking my lens cap off, very important. It makes a very fast tool, and both of those little lasers are right up on the inside. Here is the bottom plate. This is the L bracket, and you can use this to, once you set your parameters, you can do several of the same projects quickly and put them right in the same spot, just like that. This is the little working panel here that you can use for things like, you know, things that would possibly smoke, or like wood pieces, which is what I will be using it for. You can put it either direction, doesn't matter. Very clean look. It slides down very easily manually. They provided a quick guide on the side there for you, and it is right beside your manual and your automatic adjusters. Nice. So the book, don't be intimidated by it. It's a thick book, but you only need to refer to your language, and it's just a little bit of instructions to get you on the way to making some wonderful things. Also, you've got your book here for the other piece so that you understand thoroughly, and I do recommend that you do all of the reading of what you need to do and the safety. Okay, so now we're going to connect my laptop to the beautiful laser. Very easy to do. You saw how I did that. Simple, simple. And I'm going to run through the quick setup. Very easy to do to add this onto my computer. This is the XCS software that I am adding, and it is very easy to work with. If you've ever used a Cricut or any tools, cutting tools like that, you'll be a very quick learn on this. So I'm just going to go in here and go under fonts and type out what I want to use for my first practice piece. So this is Tales from an Empty Nest. This is my sister's YouTube channel. She is a little cook. She has a cooking channel, and I want to make something special for her. This is very easy to do. You also get freebies. You get slate, wood, leather, and metal to practice on, y'all. So here's my practice. It's just me running through it really quick. I'm going to show you more instruction in just a moment, but just to see what I'm working with. This is the first little piece. I've just put this on a little piece of basswood. This is moving as quickly as the project actually moves. So this is not sped up. I just have it focused in a little bit so you can see what's going on here. You'll notice that it's sitting down. It's sitting on that work plate. And that laser is moving back and forth. Once it is done, this is what it's going to look like. Now, you can adjust how deep this is. You can adjust how deep it goes, and this is going to be the next one. This is the little outline or the box frame that you can put around to make sure it's exactly where you want it. Close that lid and wear your goggles, because if it's not closed all the way down, you need eye protection. I'm going to line my lasers up. You can see what I'm doing here. And there it is lined up on that little piece. But we're not going to look until the end. All right, so now I'm going to go in here. I'm feeling a little more confident. I've practiced, I've made my first piece, and I'm going to go in and try something different on different material. So this is a design that I have made, and it is actually some of the things that are in my merch store, but I'm going to use this and put it on a piece of slate that was provided to me as a freebie. Give that a shot and see if I can make a cute little coaster out of it. It's summertime, but I'm ready for Halloween any time of the year, and it's Summerween, so we're going to give this a shot. I'm going to select my slate over here. Got my piece ready and lined up. Here it is in action. It did take a little more time than the other one to do. Just a little more, not too much. You can do something else while it's working. Look how nice it looks already. Of course, you're looking through the green shield, so you can't see a ton of details, but I'm going to show it to you in just a moment. I'm very pleased. You can see that when the lasers are working, that the light is flashing on there. Very user-friendly, y'all. Very user-friendly and safe. Because I have my purifier or my filter running on the side, I can't smell anything. Look how nice this is. This is so cute. Turned out great, and I would definitely do a set of those. So let's go on to these, the little metal cards that we got, and I'm going to try to use one of these. I'm going in there choosing another design of my own. This is for my channel, making it my own DIYs. I'm going to select the material that I'm using. I'm going to put my card down on there, and then I'll come over here and size it to the right size. And then, you have that framing tool that you can use to make sure that you're in your parameters. Subscribe for more on this channel. I appreciate it. Okay, so it's going, right? It's telling me up there to press the button. So I press the button, and here it is. Now we're going to get a look at something with a lot more detail on a smaller scale to see how the machine handles that. Once it is done, it's telling me that it's completed, and I'll grab the card and check it out. And look at it. Now, I could have done this on a lighter color and you could see it better, but it is what it is, and we're going to go with it. I can definitely see the detail. This is the one that I made after my little sample. Love it. It's going to be great for her. She'll like it a lot. It's great for business tools. You could put family names on here, a cute little saying if you wanted to. Here's a better look at that card. Look at all the details in the magnolia flowers and the small font. It's very crisp, very nice. I will definitely be making more, and I'm going to try to make those on a lighter color card just to see the difference that it makes. So great reasons to grab this would be, it's small and portable for craft fairs, that works fast for quick, immediate results. You can use Wi-Fi when you use it, and like projects can be done quickly with the bracket. My honest opinion, I really enjoyed this tool. I was jumping up and down and thinking of all the ways that I could use this. I'm looking forward to using it for my business, and I'm looking forward to using it for gifts this year. Y'all stay tuned. So check out the affiliate link in the description box below. for more information about the XTOOL, I thank you for watching and stopping by today. See you soon. Bye.